Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray! Can you do that? Hip hip. No, that's for Mama. It's my camera. Uh-oh, Mama's battery's gonna go out soon. Anderson, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Anderson, he's very busy. Like, get the cabinet open. Anderson, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Can you clap? Can you clap for Mama? If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Can you clap?
No.
Clap your hands. Come here, you want to walk to Mama? You ready? You want to walk? Ready? Oh, what's that? Anderson, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hello? Can you clap? Clap! Yay! Can you say cheese? Say cheese! Yeah. Can you say what a duck says? Quack, quack, quack. Can you do that? Quack, quack. He wants the string to the camera. Say quack, quack, quack. He does that now. You're not doing it right now. Here. Can you say quack, quack? Yeah. Can you say quack, quack, quack? Look at those teeth. It's ridiculous. Anderson. No, that's for Mama. Can you say quack, quack? Quack, quack. Can you do that? No, he's got things to do. Anderson. How big is baby Anderson? Sugar pie. Can you clap? No, he's going to push poopy. I just heard a lot of farting. Can you say quack, quack, quack? Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Can you do that? Quack, quack. Yeah. You want to come walking to Mama? Come here. Up. No, not yet.